Hello, my friends. Good evening. Hope everybody is well. Tonight we're going to have an easy lesson, a quick class, introducing some vocabulary words that you will see in the book tonight. The first word is wonder. Now, wonder doesn't really translate well into Portuguese, but it means basically eu me pergunto. It means I ask myself, or I am asking myself. I wonder, for example, I wonder if it's going to rain tonight. I wonder when the schools will open again. I wonder when coronavirus will finish. I wonder. Wonder can mean something else, though. Wonder can also describe something that is incredible. For example, this is Wonder Woman. This is another way to say the woman is incredible. Wonder Woman. Here we have the 7 wonders of the world. This means the 7 most incredible things in the world. These things are all incredible. And we have the famous movie Wonder. I recommend that you watch this movie if you haven't seen this movie. It's very good. I cried. Yes, I did. I cried. It was an excellent movie. Okay, now we have the words waiter, waitress, and server. Now, waiter, waitress, and server, these are people that serve you food at a restaurant. Waiter is masculine. This is for a man who does this job. A waitress is feminine. This is for a woman who does this job. And a server can be masculine or feminine, man or woman. Okay, now, and we use all of these words. You can say waiter, waitress, or server. We use all of them. Okay, now, a tip. Now, a tip can be various things. A tip can describe the money that you give to the waiter or waitress or server after you have finished your meal at a restaurant. You give them a tip. This man is giving a tip. This is his tip. A tip can also be a short sentence of advice, a short piece of advice. Here we have top tips for advice, and here we have short sentences that give advice for success. These are all tips. And tip can also be to make something fall. For example, this man is tipping the water bottle. Here, for example, it says, tip your waitress. Tip like this. Give money for their service. Yes. But make them fall? No, don't tip like this. Tip like this. Tip your waitress. Okay, now, we have the word although. Now, although is used with contrasting ideas, like a however. What is although and however in Portuguese? Porém. For example, although it's a beautiful city, Rio is very dangerous. Beautiful city, this is something good, very good. Dangerous, this is something bad. We use although to show contrasting ideas. We can also use though, which is a synonym to although. I say, you repeat. Although. Although. Though. Though. Good. Okay, now, a fee. Fees are usually extra little things that make your bill very expensive. What's a bill in Portuguese? This is a bill. Well, what is a bill? A bill in Portuguese is a conta. Fees are these little things. What are fees? Taxas. Good. Okay, now, coins. These are all coins. Metal money. They're coins. Now, these are the coins we have in the United States. We have pennies, which are 1 cent. We have nickels, which are 5 cents. We have dimes, which are 10 cents. And we have quarters, which are 25 cents. And if you are traveling to the United States, it's good to know these words because we use them. Give me a penny. Can you give me a nickel? Just give me a dime. If I see a penny on the ground, I don't pick a penny up. It's only 1 cent. In Brazil, you guys used to have pennies in the past. You guys used to have 1 cent coins. But now in Brazil, there are no 1 cent coins, which was a very good decision. Unfortunately, United States has not made this decision yet, and we still have 1 cent coins. Other coins we have in the United States, we have the $1 coins. Now, these are not common, but they are also not rare. if I live in the United States, I probably see a $1 coin maybe once a week. And they are $1, 100 cents. We also have half dollars. Now, half dollars are more rare. I probably see a half dollar maybe once a year, a half dollar. And if I get a half dollar, I don't spend the half dollar. I usually keep it in my house. And a half dollar is obviously half a dollar, 50 cents. Okay, now these are the different notes or bills in American money. These are coins. Coins is metal money. And bills or notes, that's paper money. We have the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, the $20 bill, the $50 bill, and the $100 bill. Da, da, da. Now, we also have the $2 bill, but the $2 bill is also rare. Not extremely rare, but rare. If I get a $2 bill, I don't spend it. I keep it in my house for many, many years. Okay, now the back of the $100 bill, we have Independence Hall. Does anybody know where Independence Hall is in the United States? It's in a city that's very special to me. It's in a city that I love, that I cherish. Where is Independence Hall? Independence Hall is in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Yes. I used to live in an apartment that was 300 meters from Independence Hall. I could walk to Independence Hall in probably 5 minutes. I could see it from my door. So this means a lot to me, this place here. Okay, now I also want to mention about the verb leave. Leave in the past is left, and in the past participle, the third column, it's also left. Here we have different examples of leave. When the man left the house, left here is sayil. Here, leave me alone. Leave here is deshar. So leave can be deshar or sayir. But here we have turn left. Here, left. What is left here? Izquierda. Good. So it's a little confusing, this verb. Okay, now, homework. In your homework, I want you to think of something from your country that might be confusing or strange to someone from a different country. This could be greeting people, hand gestures, things people do or don't do in public, the things people do to have fun, or unique foods. And then I want you to write an email to an imaginary friend from another country. Use the email above to help you. Well, above, it's in the book. Write 120 words. Okay, now, for my assignment, it's not 120 words, it's 80 words. Here it is. Here's my example. Hello, Sloan Bento. I'm so happy to hear that you're coming to visit me in the United States soon. However, you need to know that the United States is a lot different than Brazil. Here, we almost never eat beans and rice. We typically have cereal with milk for breakfast, a small sandwich and fruit for lunch, and a big dinner with meat, salad, and noodles. I know you can't live without beans and rice, and maybe you will need to go to the hospital because of your bean and rice addiction. But this is just our culture here. I know you have eaten beans and rice every day of your life, but I promise you will survive. See you soon, Eric. An email like this would be good. Okay, and also I want you to send me an audio reading this text in the book that you will see in page 38. Also, I want you to give me a 30-second audio about what you most look forward to this year. I will send an example in the group. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.